after they're massacred, and here's before they're massacred.
They're beautiful!
Beautiful.
So, simple solution to make a meat pie with our chickens. And our chickens are running around outside too. They'll join the party outside. This is the chicken pot pie party with the ladies for lunch punch. Who do we have?
Marla D, happy to be here because I know Valerie makes the best chicken pot pie. Shirley, I'm happy to be here also.
Dale.
Kathy.
Pam, brand new, thank you.
Welcome.
Janet.
I'm Laura Lee.
And this is Granny, the Granny Simple Solutions. Joining us on Granny's Simple Solutions. We'll see you next week when we bake those pies that we ate at our lunch bunch. See you next week on 3/14 first thing in the morning, and you'll learn how to bake those cute little chicken pot pies. See you then. Bye.